You wanted to talk?
Adam, listen. I gotta say what's on my mind. Something about this curve doesn't seem right these days. Asymptotes get in the way. Whenever we try to derive, it's always unexplained. It's so hard to do, but I gotta differentiate.
You'll be okay, I've got to chain rule and use power rule. The function approaches from left and right. The limit exists on the plane somewhere. So at least for now, we can differentiate.
The function equals x to the n plus c. Gotta leave the constant behind. Another step to derive. Just move the n to the front and take one away. The solution of f primacy exists to me. F of b minus of a divided by b minus a is the mean value theorem.
We found f prime, now let's leave this be. So now we move on to more derivatives.
We can bet there's more to derive than polynomials. There's trigonometric and logarithmic, and it's making me lose control. Everybody gather round.
The secret to maxes and mins is if f prime is 0. And if you go from increasing to decreasing, it's a max. And if it's vice versa, it's a min. Not another sound. Let's go to the funhouse.
Okay. Yeah. No. Stick to f double prime. If you wanna be cool, follow one simple rule. Don't mess with the house, no. Stick to concavity. Look at this, there's x and there's y. Implicit differentiation. When d's y's with respect to x, just pair y and y prime, then just solve for y prime.
Open up, dig way down deep.
Calculus is my passion. I love to find slopes and tangents, velocities and accelerations.
Is that even legal?
Not another P.
No.
On to more things we know. We know how to derive the next step to a 5. Don't forget these rules, no. On to integrals. We're solving, deriving. There's not a problem in calculus we can't teach.
If we're trying, we can integrate.
You know the space between curves has an area we know how to find.
Subtract the top from the bottom. That's how it's done.
Unless the graph's in terms of y, then it's right from left. We're integrating.
We're solving,
deriving.
There's not a problem in calculus we can't teach.
If we're trying,
we can integrate. We're integrating.
Solving the value like that of a sphere or a pyramid.
Rotate the function about the axis, the formula. Integral of r of x squared minus r of x
squared times pi deriving.
There's not a problem in calculus we can't teach.
If we're trying,
We can integrate.
we're integrating
Differential
equations
to get the solution of dy and dx.
Now's the time.
Now let's solve for c.
Solve for C. Separate y and x.
Integrate, substitute
With the initial condition. Simplify to find C.
not a want but a need.
The specific solution. Solving.
Deriving. There's not a problem in calculus we can't teach. If we're trying, we can integrate.
Integrating a power series
Is an infinite series
where
with
A sub n represents the coefficient of the intermissing constant.
You know it's the end of AB. Goodbye to calc, we can now achieve our dreams.